Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee, and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this week's episode, as we continue our 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 12, use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. In all honesty, to me, Law 12 gives kill them with kindness. Now, what this law states is one sincere and honest move can cover over dozens of dishonest ones. And if you are just showing open-hearted gestures, and if you show honesty, generosity, what that will do is actually bring down the guard of the person that you are trying to get more detail or more information from. In other words, your victim. So what you need to do is be selective, be honest, but be selective. You don't have to tell the full story. And also gestures, good gestures of kindness. Even the person that suspects you the most will have to start actually questioning themselves and think, actually, maybe this person is pretty cool. They've done all of these nice things for me. Like, there must be a catch, but no, surely there can't be. This is the position that this law is stating that you need to get your victim in. You need to get them into a position where they feel that they can trust you. They feel that you've done nice things with them. You've done nice things for them. And it would be wrong of them to suspect otherwise from you. I think in a nutshell, that is what this law is saying. To me, it's kill them with kindness. Be generous, be honest, and use that to get what you want. Also, it says use selective honesty. So from that, you don't have to give the full spectrum of everything. It might be that you give some of the truth, but you don't give all of the truth. And this is what Law 12 is stating. You need to be selective with your honesty and generosity and use that at moments where you want to get someone to become more vulnerable so that you're able to then find out more detail from them. And that is Law 12 in a nutshell. I hope that has summarized Law 12, use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. In other words, make people feel good. Be selective with the honesty and be selective with the generosity, but you still have to apply those moves in order to get what you want and in order to make the other person feel comfortable in terms of telling you and opening up to you. If you are showing them kindness and you are showing them, that you are truthful and that you are generous, it is likely that that person will lower their guard. So that was Law 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. I hope that has given you a brief summary of Law 12. What do you think about that law? Is that something that you've applied in the past? Have you noticed that being honest and being generous to someone has actually got you the results that you wanted? Or have you found that doing so hasn't worked in your favor? Leave us a comment down below. In next week's video, we will be looking at Law 13. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. But yes, people, that is it for this video. Leave a comment down below and share with your people them. Let them know what we've got going on over here on Motivational Lee. Also, in other news, I have just released a new track produced by the one and only Brute, and this track is called Who I Was. It's out now on my YouTube channel and it's also available on Soundcloud and Bandcamp. So check that out now and enjoy the vibes. But yes, people, I will catch you in next week's video. Make sure you have a great week. Stay blessed. And I'll catch you in my next video. Done now. Boy.
Life's good, I feel nice. So much sunshine.